Hello everyone, my name is Catalin Tudose and welcome to my TDD with JUnit 5 course. I'm a Java and web technologies expert at Luxoft Romania and I have more than 20 years of experience in the IT field. About 15 of them have been dedicated to Java and the technologies around it. In this course, we are going to discover one of the greatest programming techniques. Test-driven development will seriously increase the speed of writing your code and will remove much of the debugging effort. One cannot imagine today creating a solid application without a series of comprehensive tests that will make sure it is safe and maintainable. The main topics that we are going to approach will be Introduction to the TDD topic, main concepts, JUnit 5 architecture, the flights management application, the demonstration vehicle of this course, moving an existing non-TDD application to TDD with the help of JUnit 5, adding new features to the application using TDD and JUnit 5, and integrate JUnit 5 and Mockito. By the end of this course, you'll know how to develop safe and flexible Java applications that will be focused on going straight to the point, doing exactly what they should be supposed to do. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with object-oriented programming concepts, be proficient in writing Java core code, and have some basic understanding of the Apache Maven build tool. From here, you should feel comfortable driving into other testing techniques with courses on integrating testing and behavior-driven development. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn test-driven development with the TDD with JUnit 5 course at Pluralsight.